Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys again today. How you doing? How's everything? Um Today we'll be talking about what is happening generally in the market, what is going on. So people are scared right now. They are like, I've lose. What's going on? Should I quit or I should wait or they still pump? Are we still going to 700k or 200k or anyhow? So today we are going to analyze the market and see what is going to happen, and we're going to analyze what is going to come. That is what we are expecting later on. So before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and are watching this video right now, please kindly subscribe now for more content like this, for educational tutorials, and for everything you need to be successful in your trading career. So thank you very much, and God bless you all. So uh, Bitcoin fell from around 43,000 or so yesterday, and currently trading at 41,800 and something. So I dropped it in the group yesterday that those buyers traders should trade with care. You understand? Because the way market is right now, it's only good for scalpers. Very good in scalping, you make a lot of profit. But we are not good in scalping. I guess you don't have to stay from the market. You understand? Or if you're a sports trader, you don't leave your profit on the table and you take them when you see profit. You understand? Because currently the market is right now is just form of ranging, just moving sideways, breakout, move sideways, breakout, move sideways. That's why it's just moving. So that is why scalpers are the one enjoying profit currently in the market. So this is BTC right now. This is Bitcoin chart. And looking at the Bitcoin chart, we can see that it's testing the book curve again. You can see this book curve we have right here. After the egg go for me, after the breakout of the egg, I guess I dropped this last time when it broke out. Now we might see a further movement to the downside. So, but irrespective, currently we still have the book curve that is still holding this price, in which it bounced from this level last time and went up to this high of 44,000. Then, because there was no much volume to the upside, I don't know, maybe buyers are weak, so the bear take over and started pushing the price downward. So looking at it currently, the way we are seeing it here like this, looking at this like we are having a break here on this book off. So, but we have to confirm the break by the end of today because this is a daily chart. So if by the end of today, this candle actually end below this book off, so then might see a further downward movement. But if we are to look at it, we have a recency level that was created around this region, a recency. I know you know what is meant by recency. So we have a recency that was created around this place the last time. So currently, I guess it's coming to come and test that particular region again. So something like a double bottom. So by the end of today, if this particular candle actually end below this book of, then you might see it coming inside this particular region. So that's around that's 40,000 or so. I see it come to around that region. So, but if it keeps rejecting this region and it bull defend this particular area, then you might see a reverse up to this to come and retest this book of it broke. Then if they're able to push the price upward, you might see an upward movement. But if they fail, if the bull also fail and it came to this place, then you might see a drastic fall. You understand? To like a drastic fall to like 32,000 or so, between 35,000 or 32,000. So that's where it's possible for to fall to. If it break this particular recency level we have here, this support level, if it break it, then you're having this particular 35,000 or 32,000. Do you understand? To come to before moving up. So, but looking at it, the price of Bitcoin has been downward for some days now. We look at it, it has been down some days now, and the pullbacks it's having is not enough at all to even say we are resuming or want to move to 100K. So it's giving a weak pullback. So that is why the bears are taking control of the market again. So like I said, if the price of BTC fails to hold that recency level in which I mentioned earlier, and if I see the price of Bitcoin coming to 35,000 or 32,000 or so, but if the price of Bitcoin is able to hold this particular recency here, I talk about this recency level I talk about, then we might see the upward movement to come and test the break of the book of. But if, like I said, the build takeover after the test of the book of, we see an upward movement, maybe to 46,000. But if the bull fails takeover, then we see a drastic fall. So, and like I said the last time that whenever I see the price of Bitcoin trading below this book of, I will say that we're in a bear market. Do you understand? But currently, I'm still counting this as just a normal correction in the market. Do you understand? But the moment the price of Bitcoin is trading below this book of, I will say that we are in a bear market until we break above again. But looking at it on the daily chart, I guess I talked about this in the group when I drop analysis on it, on the weekly chart. When I drop analysis on this, I talk about this. Like I said, on the weekly chart, we have, if we look at it, we have a double top formation. Look at the double top. You have a double top formation, and the double top formation, if the double top is well respected, at least the particular coin should short to its neck, at least. Do you understand? So if Bitcoin should come to its neck of this double top formation, that means we've seen Bitcoin coming to between $35,000 to 29,000. That's the range of its neck. So then if it not break the neck, then we can say that okay, Bitcoin is coming to maybe 20,000 or so. But if we not break the neck, then we see an upward movement again to the upside. Do you understand? That's if it follows the double top formation. But so far, you can still say it's still following the double top formation so far. Do you understand? Because after the last touch of the top, it has been falling down. Do you understand? But like I said, a valid double top formation always come its neck to come and test, and the neck is between 35 to 29,000. So that's, let's see how it goes anyway. So, but also before we end this call, let's look at the total market cap. Total market cap. What's going on? I get there's a lag in the chat. What's happening? What happened right now? Why? Where is this shoot coming from? Shoot to 4.7 trillion. Let me screenshot this. Sorry. So let's go back to our daily chart. I don't know why the lag happened on the total market cap of crypto, including Bitcoin. Why is okay? Maybe there's an error somewhere on the chart, so it's not allowing me to even view the. It's allowing me to view the. But let's use style and view it. So looking at the total market cap of Bitcoin, like I said, including Bitcoin. So there's a book of also that passes through this place, and I said in the last time we made a webinar that you see the book of breaking below this. Yeah, we see the price breaking below this book of, we see typically bear market. So, but it's still sustaining above, but I don't know, we are unable to view it very well because of that lag that is showing that there's a pump on the chart, but in which there's not any pump actually. So I don't know where the error is coming from. So, but anyway, that's basically it is. So and also if the price of Bitcoin is to hold that recency I talked about, that particular recency, where is the chart again? The recency I talk about, if the price of Bitcoin is able to hold that recency, then we're having a bounce above this particular book of, then you might be looking at some point to hold by the like of Luna, and like the like of Solana, like of Mana and the rest. So And don't forget all the metaverse projects, because the way many companies are coming to metaverse currently uh, is just beyond imagination. So a major metaverse is a very, very big uh, project, a very big technology. So don't forget to invest in metaverse. And also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this and share with your friends. So thank you very much for watching the video. God bless you all. And even if you share my video, God bless you also. And if you don't share also, God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. God bless you.